welcome back to Walden's World. I'm working on this, what I believe to be a 86, and we bought a 87 and up carb. The 86 ran double cable. The carb was cheap enough to where we're gonna use it. So I got on the internet and ordered a really cheap cable. It was like 13 bucks, and it's actually Motion Pro, so we know it's a good brand. And we're gonna put it on here. He'll still save money on this, and actually a little nicer system. So we'll get started on it. First thing we're gonna do, pull this off. Got a screwdriver handy. Hopefully these ain't too tight. You can just give this a little tap with a screwdriver. She'll loosen on up. There's a seal in there, and apparently possibly a critter. And you can pull this, and I'm gonna end up needing my other hand. Hey, maybe I can put it right here on the brake. If I don't jiggle it, my camera won't fall to the ground. A lot of times as you're letting go of the gas, you can slide that wire back like so. And she'll come on out. Now I got her trapped all the way in there. Pretty sweet. There we go. Unscrew her. Run your adapter or your keeper all the way up. You want as much slack as possible. And she's out. Now one thing you can, so this one don't actually look like it's gonna be that hard to route. We'll actually just start following our old cable right there. Get it down in there. And the old cable actually connects right here through a little junction. There's a little rubber boot that holds on to it, and it's clipped right up in here. You can push it that way and it'll come on loose. And if you notice, our cable comes right through here, which is right through the top bracket of this frame, and then it comes right here across the top of the radiator. So we need to find our new cable, which I didn't push in far enough. Come straight up over here, and we can use some zip ties and tie that up there, whatever we need to do. And all right, got the carb off and just pulled it down. Rubber seal there, so it's fine, and I should be able. So we got all that loose, and this is going to take two hands, but I'll have to pull that up and not lose that brass piece. Mike can do it with one hand. That's got a little keeper in it, so alright. So should be able to, may have to push the other piece in. Might not be. I've left the other cable off. This one's a little bit harder to do, and you definitely don't want to lose that brass piece. Make sure this is all the way up tight, because you always want to start with as much. Pull it like that, and we're going to use the actual brake to pull that cable. And as we go back, we're just going to slide it with our fingers, and we're good to go. And you can actually see you've got just a little bit of slack in there, and that's the way you want your carburetor, which it is. You can see it's rested up against the adjuster. Normally these are about 2.5 out once you bottom them all the way up. So we're going to put her back together and make sure we don't got any kinks, and make sure our cable's good. We'll move the handlebars and everything, and this thing will be done. Let's see, let's put her in high. Go back, make sure she's not leaking after anything I did. This thing got other issues, tires. I can feel it pulling left and right. Burning a little bit of oil, I can smell it. Alright guys, so we did the transfer case on this one, put all that new in, and we did the carb job, throttle cable, and then we bled out the front brakes. So this thing's ready to go home. It's not the most perfect thing in the world, but should run that guy just fine. Y'all like, subscribe, hit the notification button. We'll have something else next time. Thanks for watching. GoPro.